I'm Laura Banford, and I'm going to show you how to make some rockin' pasta salad and couscous lentil salad. Now we're going to talk about olives. I'm using these pitted Kalamata olives. They're black olives that are briny like most olives, but they have an extra bitter edge to them. If you get olives with the pits in, obviously you're going to have to pit them, but I've taken a shortcut, and I'm just going to take my olives that are already pitted and cut them into quarters. A whole olive of this size is too big for the pasta salad, so you want them to disperse well through the salad and be the right size, like everything else, like our diced onions and cucumber and our diced sweet red pepper. These are going to disperse well through the salad. And when we come back, we're going to make the dressing for our salad.